this is sick. Oh my god, I can fit my whole fist in there.
We're doing up close and
Up in the
personal.
face, bro. Up in the face. Oh, did you just say?
You could dump something else. Good morning, everyone. So we got the 124 in the RSX under the cover, and Mikey Turbos is about to arrive in his 500 Abarth pretty soon. He actually just texted me saying he was like 5 minutes out, so he should be here any minute. And we're just gonna hang out today, have a little fun with some Fiats, some Abarths, Abarths, however you want to pronounce it. This thing is freaking beautiful. I love it. I love the way it came out. You guys probably saw it in some other videos. But yeah, we're gonna maybe go on a little cruise, take some photos, talk cars, maybe get the GoPros rolling. Yeah, I'll probably start the camera back up if I can catch him rolling down the street. I should be able to hear him. All right, I think I'm starting to hear him. I think that's him all the way. Unless I'm hearing things. That's him, all right. I told you, I heard it. I turned the camera back on. There he is. I heard a little sneak peek of that Abarth. That looks good. Nice and clean.
I've never seen it in person yet. What's going on, bro?
What is up?
Look at this.
All right, so this kid left fucking 5 minutes early before I showed up to New Jersey Speed Shop
You were
last
supposed
week.
to be there on time.
I was 3 hours late, but you were 5 minutes early.
I was
leaving.
there from the very
You gave
beginning.
me 3 hours, but not 5 minutes. I'm
You
5
should've been
minutes
on time.
away. He's like, I'm leaving. I was up till 2 in the morning.
Look, I
getting
live
this
45
done.
minutes away from the speed shop. You live super close.
I live like 30 minutes away. But the
Oh,
car
30
was,
minutes.
yeah, but the car was 20 minutes the other way, and I was up till 2:30 in the morning getting it done.
Excuses.
It's ready, but he came out today, so we're gonna see what he thinks
check
about
out.
this in person.
Yeah,
Let me flip this.
All right, let's do this. Let's take this car cover off. I gotta see this in person. Oh, that carbon fiber, bro. I look sick.
Trying to just get the dirt off while I can.
Oh, the height is building up right now. This is good. I'm waiting a long time to see this. Wow, bro, this is a tease, man. This is a tease.
What do you want to see first, the front or the rear?
Oh, God.
You're a front or rear man.
Kind of like the back, don't gonna lie.
Ooh.
Ooh. That's gorgeous, bro. I love that. What is this gray called?
It's from Avery. It's called Dark Gloss Gray. I haven't seen Nardo in a while. I almost feel like maybe it's a darker Nardo.
Oh, that's sick. Yo, guys, this is sick. Wow. Bro, the whole car is completely different. It's completely transformed.
I love this rear 3/4, man. I think
The fenders, the wheels, everything lines up nice.
even a little carbon here. It just flows with fiber. Flows with the rest of the
Carbon fiber. How does it go? Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
Cars on fire.
You're right. Cars on fire.
That is sick, man. Bro, this is sick. Now, what size tire did you have to go with now?
275/40. Stuck with them here. 255/40 at front tire.
Wow.
But these
That's
are
beefy.
275s in the rear.
That is beefy.
255s in the front. Do a little start real quick.
We're gonna get that start on. Cold start.
Open the valve. So what do you think of it?
Bro, I think the car's insane. It truly a huge transformation. Absolutely beautiful. The fenders, the wheels, the color's on point. The gray with the black carbon fiber and everything looks perfect.
I love this. So many people told me to go with a bright, vibrant color, but I like my stealthy colors.
I
love
like this. This is stealthy.
I love my blacks, white, and grays, and I think the carbon just contrasted so well with this gray, which the gray actually looks a little bit brighter in the sun, and then it gets a little darker.
When you open it up, your original color is black.
Exactly, so you don't gotta worry too much.
Perfectly with the gray.
Yep.
Perfect. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. Incredible. And each panel has perfect fitment. It really is.
It's crazy how 300, everything is perfect.
That's so
there was
nice.
no excess body work that we had to get done. This lines up beautifully compared to the old one that I had.
No, yeah, that's nice.
The 300, the Madness one was nothing compared to
That
this.
is perfect. Gorgeous.
They're fucking massive.
They are massive.
They're perfectly massive.
Wait,
They're
hold on.
quad
Hold on.
4-inch.
Oh my god, I can fit my whole fist in there.
And there's 4 of them. That's what's crazy. But it fits it perfect. It fills it out really nice. Every time I see it without these tips now, it looks so damn small.
What I like too, because the car is naturally black,
Yep.
the gray goes good with the black. On the
That's
in the
why,
door,
yeah,
so
it's,
very nice.
it's actually
I love
perfect.
that.
Black is like a great car to wrap. Because black will always look good underneath whatever color. This looks like a natural
Bro,
color
the build
underneath.
came out beautiful.
Yeah, 275s were way too crazy up front. Because it was 275/40, so they were actually a little bit wider this way too. And
So this is a 255, 40,
40,
17, and then in the back?
everything's the same besides 275.
Okay.
40, 17. The
255 up front, 275 in the rear.
Yeah, 275 up front would have like hit some of this. It was just way too close for turning.
Yeah, no,
Like
you
even right,
you need to have good
even right now,
drivability.
like look at that.
Is it rough?
No, but look how close. Like
Yes, sir.
it's pretty close in
Yeah,
general.
But, yeah, but you'll be fine.
The 275s came out even more because of the sidewall difference. What are we doing? Up close and
Up in the
personal?
face, bro.
Ah!
Up in the face. I'm gonna be spending more money.
Anyone who wants 300, it's either now or you're going to be paying the 10 to 50% increase that they're doing in December. And I'm only helping out the community at this point because I'm getting the best prices.
I absolutely love the carbon fiber side skirts. It looks like a fin, but in a good way, like not in a bad way. I love how it comes out like that. That is absolutely gorgeous.
Because from the factory, this used to just be like a matte black over here.
Right.
And it basically covers the matte black, but then also, how the hell do I zoom out? Whatever. It covers the matte black, but then also comes out just a hair, so it's a little bit lower. It's not too crazy, but just enough to add the styling.
I love it. I love it. Beautiful. And I love this color too. I like how you have the driven district.
Oh yeah, that thing lights up, but I barely use the light up feature. I did it one because it's good for branding, and two because I actually sell those. So I figured, why not? So I have never heard my car from the outside because I've never let anyone drive it. You're gonna be the first one.
Whoa. Did you just say I get to drive the driven district wide body
zoom in.
124 Bolt Spider?
Yeah, no one's actually driven it before anyway. I never heard it from the outside. I never seen it from the outside. So all I want you to do is drive it up there and right back. Nothing crazy. If you take it outside of here, I'm calling 911.
Wait. So you said I can just dump the clutch and just...
You could dump something else. Yeah, I never heard it from the outside yet or seen it being driven, so I'm excited. What's up? Oh yeah, they dialed it in. It's super sensitive in sport mode. So reverse is down to the up left, whatever the fuck.
Up left?
Down, up left. Like push down and then up left. Yeah, that's reverse. I like it.
Well, thanks for the call. I appreciate it. Got a nice pop.
Yeah. Little finale there.
I like this car a lot, man.
I'm gonna have to pick one up, eh?
Oh, I like it a lot. I like the steering wheel too. It's nice and beefy. I like that it's a stock Abarth wheel. I love
Yes,
that.
that's why I
the
love
stock
Guardian
wheel.
Designs the way they do this. They take a stock one and they modify it so custom the way you want it. So I kind of picked everything out, but I love the way it feels.
I love it. That's
So
what I
much
did-
better than a stock one.
That's what I did with the Alpha. It's a stock Alpha wheel, but it's
Yep,
just custom.
and they modify it. It's the
Yeah.
best of both worlds. You get a beautiful steering wheel that visually looks good, performs better, feels better, but you don't lose any functionality.
I love it.